This is the last Jordan 3 sneaker that I bought. It is the all-black Tinker Hatfield Jordan 3. It is sleek, it is easy to wear, it is versatile, and it's pretty much just all black. Now, a lot of people said that while it is classy, it is elegant, it can be a little boring, and I can't blame them. However, today we have the complete opposite of boring. We have the complete opposite of just one color. Friends, this is my unboxing of the new Jordan 3 Animal Instinct. Let's go. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We recently announced 2 new giveaways. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your size from Commonwealth. The link to that giveaway can be found down below. And we also have a bunch of other giveaways. All the details in the description box. Check them out. But you have to be subscribed and you have to follow me on Instagram to be part of the giveaway. So do both right now. A lot of you were asking why I wasn't able to do a review of the Jordan 11 breads. Well, long story short, I just wasn't able to get one. Be it a mix of time and not being able to join the raffles and all the stuff to be able to get one. It's the reality. It was just something that I wasn't able to do. However, I did join the raffle for the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct from Titan, and I was fortunate enough to win it. So as you can see, it comes in this really cool printed box with the Jumpman logo at the top with different images of Michael Jordan from cartoons to previous ads, all over the top. You have the details of the sneaker here along the side. I did go size 13. I usually go like a half or a full size up when it comes to Jordan 3s, mainly because the edge of the shoe is a bit narrow. So I need it to be a little bit roomier so that I won't get uncomfortable. Now, if you pop the box open, you have this black tissue paper. And are you guys ready? Are you ready? Because if you haven't seen this yet, hold on to your seats. 1, 2, 3, bam! Take a look at how insanely crazy that sneaker looks like. This is one of the sneakers that my wife and I disagree on heavily. I mean, as in heavily. She likes this one, which is the all-black Jordan 3 Tinker Hatfield, and I can understand that because it is clean, it is simple, and it is easy to wear. However, this one is just too loud and too crazy, especially with the different prints. And she has felt that way with previous sneakers that I've had with the animal design on them. Especially, I think I had like the it was the LeBron 16 Low Atmos with the orange and animal print along the side. I had the Atmos Air Max, which she also found crazy. And then when she saw this one, she was just, what the? But yeah, I just couldn't pass on it because it is super unique, it is super different, and you don't see a lot of sneakers like this hit the market. So, as I mentioned in the past, if you've grown your collection to a lot of monocolored sneakers, the ones that are crazy like this actually appeal to you because they're just so different. I mean, you don't have it in your collection, you don't have something like it, so it appeals to you more. And it might not be the case for a lot of people who are, you know, just starting out in their sneaker journey, but hey, to each his own. In Tagalog, we say, walang basagan ng trip. Let's take a closer look at the shoe. Now, it is a Jordan 3 silhouette, but there are big differences. I'm not sure what kind of hair that they used for this particular part of the sneaker because it is hair. I don't know if it's horsehair or whatever, or if it's faux horsehair. Probably not. And then you have different animal prints throughout the shoe. I can't tell which animal is which. I don't know if this is like supposed to be like a leopard at the back, and this is supposed to be a tiger, and then this is supposed to be a zebra, and this one I'm not really sure what this is. So those are like the different animal prints that you see on the shoe. If you go down to the midsole, you do have like that same air technology that we've seen with the Jordan 3. And then you have that gum outsole, which just looks really clean and really nice. If you go to the back, you have the Jumpman logo in orange, which is just so awesome considering that I love orange. And then you have the Jumpman logo again here at the tongue tab. How is it on feet? Now, in terms of comfort, it is a Jordan 3, so it is similar to the experience that you get with your black cement, or the Tinker Hatfield Jordan 3, or even the Bio Beige Jordan 3, which happens to be my favorite Jordan 3 up until today. I'm just a huge fan of the colorway and the suede material that they used for that shoe. Now, in terms of styling them, I really don't think that it is super difficult to pull off, mainly because it is still dominantly a black shoe. The animal prints are more accents than they are, you know, like a 100% of the sneaker, like what you get, for example, with the Atmos Air Max or the Atmos LeBron 16 lows. This one, the animal print, is a little bit more on the subtle side versus it being super loud. So do I recommend the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct? Well, here's the thing. If you really want one, you'll have to pony up a lot of cash for it, because the retail price is 12,145 pesos here in the Philippines. That's a little over 220, 240 US dollars. And I think it is reselling right now in the aftermarket, at least here in the Philippines, for $100 over that. Somewhere around 15 to 16 to 17,000, depending on the size. So it is not cheap. It isn't something that you can blind buy. It isn't something that you can just easily walk into a store and pick up. So just a word of warning on the price. So if ever you do want to get one, make sure that you will get a lot of wear out of it, or that you have like a specific use case on why you will want to buy it, because again, it's really not for everyone. Now, before we close out the vlog, I just want to do another unboxing for you guys. It is actually December 20 here in the Philippines, and that basically means it is Star Wars Rise of Skywalker later tonight, and I am actually going to be watching the last full show together with my wife during the screening of Boys Night Out. Our friend DJs from Magic 89.9. If you want to see what happens tonight, please do check in on my IG stories, as I will be posting what goes down throughout that particular event. Now, the awesome thing is that Star Wars Philippines actually sent me like this care package in preparation for today, which we are actually going to watch the movie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this Star Wars mystery package with you, and then we'll end the vlog there. So first up, we have this, which is probably like a tumbler. So it says here, Star Wars Rise of Skywalker, see the all-new movie. And if we pull it out, yep, it is one of those water glasses that's sealed, that should keep your drink insulated, warm or cold. You have the Star Wars Rise of Skywalker logo printed over there. We have a bunch of stickers. So this looks really cool. This one looks nice. Take a look at the Stormtrooper in white and in red. And you have the fighter, the Millennium Falcon, X-Wing, and the different logos. This is cool. I'll probably put it on my laptop or something. And then we also have a Star Wars Rise of Skywalker cap. So let's open this up. I'll probably wear this during the screening later, just so to get into the mood. And I'll probably wear my Adidas Ultra Boost Star Wars as well. So there you have it, Star Wars Rise of Skywalker cap. And we also have a few more items here, so let's pull it all out. So we have 3 more items inside the package. We have, I don't know if this is a mouse pad. Yeah, I think it's a mouse pad. So it's a BB-8 mouse pad over here. I'm not too sure again if it is a mouse pad, but it does look like a mouse pad, but yeah. And then we have, what else is here? We have, I don't know what this is. So it's like a black box, and if you pop it open, it says here Star Wars Rise of Skywalker, see the all-new movie. But bam, it is a watch, guys. So this is the Star Wars Rise of Skywalker watch. So that's cute. So you have the logo with the stars printed at the face of the watch. And we also have one more item over here, which is a small item. I don't think this is a lighter. And if you pop it open again, you have that same logo. And if you pop it open, we have, it is a keychain. So there you have it. We have a keychain featuring the Star. Oh no, it's not just a keychain. It's a USB stick. So it is a keychain USB stick with the logo of Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up the vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you all have an amazing weekend up ahead. And as usual, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.